Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design 3D ribbon text in Photoshop. So let's get started the video. Open Photoshop and create a new document with plain background. Then select the type tool and write your text in a bold font. Resize the text layer for editing. Use the pen tool to draw ribbon-like curves and around the text. Right click and make the selection from the depth. Fill the selection with the ribbon color like red, blue and black. Duplicate the ribbon layer and use transform wrap to shape it. Place ribbons behind and in front of layers for a wrap text. Apply layer style gradient overlay for depth.